How to start cold room business. Today I give you idea how to can start cold room business. Just quick video, let's start it. The first thing, you need to understand the business model. What I mean by business model, you need to know what you're going to store inside these cold rooms and what the temperature requires and how big this project. We can small project, medium project, or huge projects. There is small project can be $5,000, $10,000, even there is big project can cost $1 million. So you have to understand the business model, what you're going to store, what the temperature require, and the very important things, how you're going to make money. If you build this cold room, how are you going to make money? Are you going to store others goods inside and you charge them, or you have, during the season you're going to buy cheap let's say products and then store it and sell it for the higher price? So you need to understand how you make money. If you don't have clear answer how you're going to make money, don't start it. Because some people, they contact with me, I need cold room. I ask him this question, how are you going to make money? If he don't have very clear answer, I know this guy is not serious. The other things, you need to choose the right locations. What I mean here, it depends for how is the big project. If it's large projects and there is too many cold rooms, is the best is close to the highway, close to the road. And the other main things, you need to make sure there is a power, because the larger machine is going to operating the cold room. You need very good source of power and 3-phase. Another important things is the investing and cost. You need to calculate how much going to invest in this cold room. For example, how much will cost me to fix the land, the sandwich panel, the machines, the engineer, the technicians, all this, the staff, maintenance, how much going to cost me per year? So I want you to have a number at the end, how much will cost all this project, because the machines, it depends. If you need machines, we do supply for the refrigeration equipment, guys. I want to say here, the machines, it depends how big the projects. It can be scroll compressor, it can be semi-hermetic. I can show you now. It can be like this one, like scroll compressor. It can be this one used for the freezing room, for the -30. It can be, looks like this. This is the V type. Compressor is semi-hermetic. There is too many type of the condenser unit. If you're buying it wrong, then it's very hard to fix it at the end. So you need to know at the beginning, guys. Doors, what type of doors you're going to use? Are you going to use the hinge door, or are you going to use the sliding doors? I can show you. So this is all called hinge door, because this one you can see is hinge door, or it can be like this one, sliding doors. Sliding doors, I can show you now. So it's going just to close it, slide. This give you more space, or sliding door like this. So this is, I can show you now. This one, this is sliding door. So as we see, there is too many different of refrigeration equipment, doors. It's custom made. These things, it's custom made, depends on the project, depends on the location you're going to put it. The other things you need to ask is about, it depends for each country, is the license. Do you need safety certification, license? This you need to find a system, especially for the large cold rooms. When you have 5-6 cold rooms, 10-20 cold rooms, you need to know what is the system you're going to put to the stuff and how you manage the goods inside the cold room. Other important point is the revenue. So after you finish the cold rooms, you start to get some money, some revenue. That's not called revenue, that's try to cover your loss. So you need to calculate how many months or how many years I need to cover my loss. So let's example, you build this cold room project and cost you $100,000. You need to calculate at the beginning how many years or how many months I need to cover this money. My money is back to me. So if it costs you 100,000, probably you need it very fast, you need it in 1 year. If too slow a little bit, then 2 or 3 years, so to cover this money back. So you need to know the numbers, how many months. Other things you need to put it in your mind, the risk. So cold room, yes, it's very profitable and you can make good money and have very good future, but you need to put in your mind there is also risk. What I mean risk, the risk, if there is, you need to think about it. In some countries the electricity is not stable, so in case if there is no electricity or electricity off, what I'm going to do with the goods inside. So you need to know if there is generator back, or if it is there is if the machines are broken down. Do you have service company? Do you know technicians can go fix it as soon as possible? This is important. If this cold room out for like 1 day and you cannot fix it and there is power, can you move it to other places? Can you move it to other cold room? All this you need to plan for it. In case if there is anything happened, you can lose a lot of money if the goods is spoiled. This is for the video for today, guys. Hopefully it helped. And if you have cold room project, or if you ask any questions, you can visit our website freezenvalley.com or contact with us and we try to help you. Cheers.